Welcome back everyone to Touch Motions. Today we'll be learning a line text reveal on After Effects. Before we waste any time, let's get into it. But don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. First things first, now we need to create our composition and give it a name. I'm gonna call it a line text animation. And then I'm gonna use a 1920 by 1080 on 29 frames per second and on 10 seconds duration, and then hit OK, and then go to our text tool and type motion. And now if you can see, our icon point is on the left. Let us move it to the middle. To do that, I'm gonna hit Command on Mac and double click on our pen behind tool. Let us center align, and then we're going to duplicate this layer, move this layer to the underneath, and then type design. Let us switch off the text layer that's named design for now, and we're on creating our shape. I'm gonna use my shape layer to create a line and hold it straight and just hit shift to make a straight line, and my fill is gonna be none and my stroke is gonna be solid color. And then now let us name this layer line, and we need to create the mask. We need to double click on rectangle to make it from our screen, and then I'm gonna make our rectangle. Now I'm gonna make our rectangle to fill to the solid layer and the stroke to be none. And then now I want to move our anchor point. I'm gonna hit our pen behind tool and move our anchor point to the far right of the screen. And then I'm gonna move our rectangle to put it above our line. This rectangle is gonna work as our mask. Then I'm gonna move the rectangle layer under our line. Now let's highlight both of our lines and hit P for position. And then now we're going to press Option and hit our stopwatch for us to put an expression. The expression that we're going to use is just the P coop, and move it to the position of the line. We need to move the anchor point of our line and move it to the middle. Very simple to do that. We're going to press Option and double click on our pen behind tool, and there you go. Now we can turn off our mask, but first I want to show you something. Let's turn on this layer. If you move the line and the mask, they both move together with the rectangle, because now we have parented them with our expression of a P coop. Let us turn it off, and then we're now gonna go to our text layer and use a set mate on effect and preset and put it on our first layer. And we're going to take the take mate layer, we're gonna change it and use the mask, which is our shape layer. It's number 2. And then now the text has disappeared. Let me rename this and write it mask. Our text has disappeared because it has been masked. But if we move this line, it's gonna show our text underneath. Let me move this line so I can show you. There you go. Alright, now we need to start animating. Let us go to our line and add the trim path. Then create a keyframe for start and end, and put it on 50% both start and end, and then remove 15 frames and put start on 100 and end on 0. So we can have our line animating. Let us highlight these 2 keyframes and press ease. Then go to our graph speed editor and create a curve. So highlight and pull back. In that we need to create a position, and then move 1 second, and we are going to drag our line over our text like so. And then we'll move another 1 second forward and take our first keyframe and copy and paste our trim path keyframes and key assist and reverse the keyframes. Gonna have something like this now if we play it back. Perfect. Alright, let us highlight our position keyframes and ease them. And then open our graph editor, go to the middle and pull just your graph like this, just to be something like this. And then now we're going to turn on our design text layer. Okay, move it to the middle of the position keyframe. Then we need to copy something from our motion layer, which is a set mate, paste it on our design text layer, and then we check inverts. Then when we play it back, we have something like this. Cool. Now we need to add some motion blur. Let's add some motion blur to make it look cool. Take back. We have reached the end of our tutorial. Thanks guys for tuning in. This is Touch Motions. Don't forget to hit like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on After Effects. Goodbye.